Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to log into independent bank mortgage account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Start off by opening up a preferred web browser on your mobile device or your computer. Go to the URL box and type in independentbank.com and press enter to end up in the official website for Independent Bank. Independent Bank is a regional bank primarily serving communities in Michigan and Texas. They offers various financial services including mortgage lending, bank mortgage division, and much more. To sign into your mortgage account, you'll first need to log into your online banking account. In order to sign into your account, go ahead and mouse over to the login option at the top right-hand corner. Now, from the Personal Banking tab, you can select New Mortgage/Check Status. Enter your email address and password associated with your Independent Bank online banking account on the next page. If you don't have an account yet, you can register by clicking on Sign Up at the top. Follow through the instructions till the end to create a new account for yourself. To sign into an existing account, type in your email address in the Email tab. On the next field, type in your correct password for your account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on Trouble Signing In and follow through the prompts. After filling in your credentials correct, click on Sign In, and this will then help you sign in to Independent Bank Mortgage account online. That's how you can easily sign into Independent Bank Mortgage in just a couple of minutes. If the video was helpful to you at all, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.